Welcome back to the 28-day challenge, Tai Chi and Qigong for seniors and beginners. Today we're covering Tai Chi openings and closings. If we stand with our feet fairly close together, soften the knees, sink the tailbone a little bit, float the head, calm, tranquil mind, long, slow, deep breaths. Shift our weight to this side. Just mirror me like you are my reflection in the mirror. So shift the weight to your right. The right leg becomes full of all your weight. The left leg empty. It can float up and over, opening the door, touching down with the ball of the foot, then slowly placing the heel down, shifting weight into Wuji, neutral position. The hands float up effortlessly, like water is lifting them. And then the wave leaves and they sink back down. Lifting water. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. These two moves together, opening the door and lifting water, are often combined as just opening or commencement of a Tai Chi form. In Qigong, we do this many times as an exercise by itself, linking mind, breath, and motion into mindful movement. In Tai Chi, this is the opening move, gathering energy, remembering balance, relaxing from head to toe. Preparation. From here, we can rest in standing meditation, the Tai Chi ready position. We can lower that down to the lower point in the movement, or any point along the way, relaxing the neck and shoulders, relaxing the whole body. We can also raise it up and hold a ball in front. Not too far out, not too far in, just right. A place of comfort for you where you can hold this for a long period of time, building resilience. We're aiming for quality over quantity. So now we're done. And we're going to close. We can gather, like wrapping a blanket around yourself, gathering up energy, pulling it in, crossing at the wrist. The hands can cover each other and separate before sinking down. And closing the door, shifting our weight back, pulling our leg in and down. We can straighten up. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Our multi-purpose, based upon intention, gathering Qi. In this case, gathering Qi and rolling to Dantian. The Dantian being a space, the sea of energy, a bio battery. At our center, So it's not on the surface of the skin, but in. So a few fingertips down, a few fingertips in. Feel it settle. Thank you for joining me today.